LiveSafe connects you to important Yale safety resources right from your phone, including Campus Police and Security. It's quick and easy for students, faculty, staff, and even campus visitors to use. Open the app, and with just a few taps, you can get help, find resources, and stay informed. Tap emergency options to call 911 from anywhere in the United States based on your current location. You can also call Yale Police or text a Yale Police dispatcher in real time. If you've enabled location services, LiveSafe shares your location with police during an emergency, helping responders find you faster. You can also send Yale Police a non-emergency message too, like a tip about suspicious or criminal activity, or to report a safety concern, like a fallen tree or an unlocked door. Just tap the plus sign to get started. You can attach photos, videos, or audio recordings. And if you choose to submit information anonymously, it really stays anonymous. Neither LiveSafe nor Yale University can track your location just because you've downloaded the app. You decide when to share your location and who receives it. Tap the plus sign, and you can also message the Title IX office for questions or concerns about sex-based discrimination, the Share Center for counseling, support, and advocacy, and the Office of Institutional Equity and Accessibility for questions or concerns about harassment or discrimination. LiveSafe also helps you get around campus safely. Request a walking escort by a Yale security officer 24 hours a day, 7 days a week within the campus footprint. Use SafeWalk to temporarily share your trip with friends and family so they can follow your route on a map, making sure you get to your destination. Need a ride? Track campus shuttles in real time. Tap campus AEDs or blue phones, and then the View and Safety Map button to find the devices closest to you on campus. Locked out of your dorm or office in a Yale-owned building? Tap Lockouts to call Yale Security for assistance. LiveSafe also links to the Yale Status Board, the university's resource page for critical event updates, outages, and service interruptions. You can also access Yale's emergency procedures, so you know what to do during a power outage or a shelter-in-place order, for example. And you'll find key Yale contacts and resources in one place. Download LiveSafe today from the Apple App Store or Google Play. Create an account with any email address. Search for Yale University, and you're all set. Take time to explore the app now, so you'll know what to do when you need it. Your safety is Yale Public Safety's top priority, and together, we strengthen safety across our campus. Using LiveSafe is one simple way to help keep Yale a safe place to live, work, study, and visit.